Once upon a time, in a bright and colorful classroom, a cheerful teacher named Teacher Rosita. Rosita loved teaching and was especially excited about today's lesson, the verb to be. Hi friends, today we are going to learn the verb to be. For our everyday uses, the verb to be is I am. You are for one or more people. He is for a boy or male person. She is for a girl or female. Hope you are enjoying the lesson. Let's continue. It is for animals, things, and objects. We are for a group of people, including you. They are is for a group of people, animals, objects, or things. Let's begin. Do you want to start? I will begin with you. Let's go. First, a bouncy, energetic boy named Nana Kofi stands happy and say, I am a boy. He shout with joy. He placed his hands on his chest and exclaimed, I am happy. Confetti burst around him, mirroring his joyful energy as he says, I am tall. A delightful girl points with her finger to the crowd and says, they are is used for a group of people, things and objects without me. She pointed directly at the viewers and beamed, you are awesome. You is always used with are, say it with me, you are, good job. She is awesome. A superhero in training boy flexed his muscles, striking a confident pose. He is strong. His cape fluttered slightly, adding to his heroic image. He is a superhero. A sweet girl gently caressed a fluffy kitten. Her eyes softened as she says, it is kind. The kitten purred contentedly. With warmth in its eyes, Rosita reappeared, smiling warmly. And that's how we use the verb to be. Remember, it's fun and easy. To use, try it. The classroom erupted in cheerful sounds as the children celebrated their successful lesson. Remember, the verb to be is I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. We are. And they are.